Asteria Productions.
Hey girl, it look mad. Hey girl, I be the girl them. Girl, from me broke it down to the ground. Girl, I with the dirty waka wind it. From me broke it down to the ground.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to jump straight into it. Taking a flesh toned wig cap, Kelly is adding some got2b glue around the perimeter of my head, and then she's going to sit me under the dryer for about 5 minutes and then go over it with the blasting free, I think it's called the blasting free glue, I'm not sure, but I'm just going to go over it with that glue, and then I'm going to sit under the dryer for another 10 minutes. And then once that's done, Kelly is going to take a pair of scissors and cut the excess lace off the cap.
I'm just adding foundation to the lace so it can match her skin tone better, because sometimes when we tint the lace it doesn't get like everyone's skin tone is different, so the foundation is just better. So that's what I'm doing.
So the frontal has already been customized beautifully. Kelly did an amazing job. She's gonna basically clip away the hair away from my face just to get it out of the way, and she's gonna add the black got2b glue on the perimeter of my forehead, and then she's gonna blow dry it until the glue is tacky. Oh yeah, excuse the patchiness of my makeup. She had to take away the makeup off my forehead just to make sure there's no makeup residue basically, so excuse that. Now Kelly is going to basically pull the wig forward slowly and gently and place it onto where she's placed the glue, and then softly smooth it out, and she's going to later on cut the excess lace off. Can you see how beautiful the customization of this wig is? Like, look at that hairline. It looks so real. The wig was also colored by Kelly. It looks bomb. I love the color. Okay, so now she's gonna cut off the excess lace. As you can see, she's doing this in sections, taking her time. Oh, just in case I forgot to mention, the hair is from Asteria hair, and it was bleached and colored, and it still held up really, really well. I'm gonna have a video talking about the details about the hair very, very soon, so look out for that. Next, Kelly is gonna take an electric hot comb, and she's gonna go through the roots of the hair with this. This is gonna give us a flat frontal, girl. And then to make the baby hairs, Kelly is going to pull a few hairs from the perimeter of the wig and then cut them, and then she's going to lay them down with some wrap set lotion. Once that's done, she's going to get a scarf and place that onto my forehead, and this is going to ensure that the baby hairs lay really, really, really flat onto my head. And then we're going to move on to the styling section. So to style my hair, Kelly's taking a curling wand and creating some pin curls, and then we're gonna let them loose, and now you can see the final product. So this is the final product, guys. It looks amazing. Thank you so much, Kelly, for doing my hair again. You slayed it as usual. I'm gonna have a detailed video about the hair itself, and I'm gonna also have a styling video on this Asteria hair, so check that out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.